how to use the calendar view on Asana. So to get started, go ahead and open Asana into your preferred browser and then sign in into your Asana account. Now, once you're signed into your account, you get redirected into your dashboard. So once you're on your dashboard, go ahead and open the project where you want to use the calendar view to. So go ahead and click on that specific project and then make sure this project has a calendar view and then click on that calendar tab, and then that will allow you to view your task assignment into calendar version. So this is how it looks like. So you can basically set this into monthly or weekly by clicking on this weeks button at the top right of the calendar. So that will allow you to select between months and weeks. You can also set the filters and the options, and that will allow you to basically easily find the tasks that you have for the week. So this is how it looks like. So all of the tasks assigned to you would pop here in the calendar section, which makes it easier for you to track your tasks, such as your upcoming tasks and accomplished tasks on your Asana workspace. And that is how you can basically use calendar view on Asana. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.